Yeah. Good evening, children. Good evening, Deepthi. Hi, Deepthi. Am I audible, Deepthi? Okay, good evening. I think you have some mic issues in answering. Yes, children. So today we are going to revise this chapter called mensuration or perimeter and area. All right?
Just a minute, Mom. I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. Yes, children. See the first one. Find the perimeter of the following shapes. A triangle whose sides are 5.4 centimeters, 4.6 centimeters, and 6.8 centimeters. Yes, Tanya, what's the answer? How do you do this? How will you find the perimeter of the triangle? Yeah, correct. So perimeter of the triangle is equal to 5.4 plus 4.6 plus 6.8. Correct? The sum of the three sides. Okay, so perimeter of the triangle is equal to the sum of the three sides, which is 5.4 plus 4.6 plus 6.8. Whatever is the sum is expressed in centimeter. Whatever answer in centimeter, correct? Because perimeter is expressed in units, not square units, just units, so centimeter. Okay, next one. Over here. Regular hexagon of side 8 centimeter. What do you first mean by a regular hexagon? Hexagon has 7 sides. Okay. Very good. 7 equal sides, but you have made a mistake. Can you correct that? Hexagon. Tanya? Deepthi, how many sides does a hexagon have? 5. Hexagon. Well, how do you spell 6? How do you spell 6? S?
Hello, Mom.
Yes, Deepthi. How do we spell? I have some
trouble on my mic, Mom. And hexagon has 6 sides.
6 sides. You can remember like this. Hexagon, H-E-X, right? S-I-X, 6. 6. When you spell 6, it has the letter X in it. Hexagon also has X in it. Hexagon. You get me? H-E-X, S-I-X. So hexagon has 6 sides. A heptagon has 7 sides. Heptagon has 7 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, and all the 6 sides are equal because it is a regular hexagon. So how do you find the perimeter of this regular hexagon? 6 into A. Very good. 6 into A. Because all the 6 sides are equal. So it's going to be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So instead of adding 8 to itself 6 times, we rather multiply 8 by 6. Repeated addition is multiplication, and that is the formula also. The perimeter, the formula to find the perimeter of a regular hexagon is 6 into A or 6 into side. 6 into 8, 48 centimeters. Very good. Next one, Deepthi. Perimeter of isosceles triangle. What do you mean by an isosceles triangle?
Ma'am, 2 sides are equal and 1 side is unequal.
Correct. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal. Any 2 sides. A triangle in which any 2 sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. So it's given here. Equal sides 6 centimeters each, and the third side is 4.5. So how do you find the perimeter? So tell me, Deepthi.
Ma'am, 6 plus 6 plus 4.5.
Just a minute. Yes, Deepthi. Sorry, yes. So perimeter of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is equal to 6 plus
6 plus 4.5.
6 plus 6 plus 4.5. Because the two equal sides are 6 centimeters each. So two sides, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Third side, 4.5. So 6 plus 6 plus 4.5. We see, remember that a triangle has three sides. Because only two numbers are given, 6 and 4.5, it is not 6 plus 4.5. A triangle has three sides. But we have only two numbers here, 6 and 4.5. Doesn't mean it is 6 plus 4.5 perimeter. No, three sides. One side is 4.5, another side is 6 centimeter. What about the other side? Two equal sides, no? So the other side is also 6 centimeters. Okay. Yeah. Sum of the three sides. If it's an equilateral triangle, then you can write 3 into side because all the three sides are equal. If it's an equilateral triangle, because since all the three sides are equal, you can write 3 into side. But supposing we will assume that you forgot the formula. So you add the three sides, say 8 plus 8 plus 8. You will still get the same answer. Answer will not change. Answer is the same. But just that you didn't use the formula. That's all. If you use the formula, it will be 3 into side, 3 into 8, 24 centimeters. If you don't use the formula, it will be like 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 centimeters. Okay. Yeah, again, perimeter. How do we find? Sum of the three sides. These are easy, no, for you? So perimeter of the triangle is equal to 5.4 plus 4.6 plus 6.8, correct? Sum of the three sides. Correct, Deepthi? Perimeter of the triangle is equal to 5.4 plus 4.6 plus 6.8. Okay, again, oh, sorry. Just same thing. Okay, this is the next one. Sorry, I was repeating it actually. This is the first one, second one, third one. Yeah. This is the next question. Yes, do this. All of you take down this question.
Ma'am, during like before you
One
have
second, Deepthi, sorry. Excuse me, Deepthi, 1 second. So all of you take down this question and work it. Now, from now, we'll start writing. The first one was quite easy, so I didn't make you work that. From here, we'll start working. Take down the question. Take the table closer to you. Yeah. Yes, Deepthi, please tell me.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you that you have gave us like 6 pictures. And
Yeah. That will be, the answers to that will be discussed on Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Because during the vacations, I cannot assume that all of you, had time to complete it. So Monday, I will not check with any of you. I will be discussing the answers on Monday. Is assignment ready, Deepthi, from your end?
Ma'am?
Is the assignment ready from your end?
Yes, ma'am.
All?
Yes, ma'am, all of them.
Very good. Okay, fine. Very nice. All right.
Ma'am, the next class will be on Friday and then on Monday, right?
Correct. Yes. You will have classes 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 5:30 to 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya will have classes only on Monday and Wednesday from 7 to 9:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Satakshi, take down the question in your notebook and work it in your notebook. So I'll help you start. So we need to start like this. Perimeter of the field is equal to 360 meters. Now below this, what's the formula? Tanya, what's the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangular field? We have for 6th standard, I've done it like that, is it? Okay, fine. Okay, 1 minute, sorry. I forgot. No. Like, for 7th standard, we do it a different way using the formula. Sorry, yeah. Tell me. Perimeter. Very good. Thank you for reminding. Perimeter of the field. is equal to 360 meters. Next, Tanya, semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to, tell me, semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter by 2. Very good. Perimeter by 2. Very good. Next step, that is equal to, no, tell me here, just tell me what to substitute. 360 divided by 2. Work and tell me what is 360 by 2. No, no.
Ma'am, it's 180.
Okay, 180. 180 what? Unit?
Ma'am, meters.
Yeah, what's the next step, Deepti? We
Ma'am,
found the
then-
semi-perimeter. Next.
Yes, ma'am. The next step is length equals to semi-perimeter minus breadth.
Okay, length is equal to have I given you that formula straight away? Length is equal to semi-perimeter minus breadth? Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Okay, very good. Okay, length is equal to semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter minus breadth.
Ma'am, that will be 180 minus 75.
Very good. And how much is that?
Ma'am, it's 105.
Very good.
Ma'am, just
Put
a minute.
Tanya
I'll just
and
note
Deepti.
the last bit down.
Come again?
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm still writing the length.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Done? You finished. You finished everything. Very good. You've done it in the same notebook or a different notebook? Okay, fine. You also completed the assignment? Okay. Then OVA, we are waiting for you to finish. You completed 3. You have 3 more to do. Okay, if it is ready on Friday, we'll discuss on Friday then. If supposing you complete on Friday, then because all of them have completed. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you have only sent 6 pictures, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Because my mother told first that was 7 pictures and she told it was 6 pictures, so I was not sure which.
No, 6. This is over, children? Okay. Next one. Take down the question. Yeah, how do we do this? Let them. Anybody can say. Open question. Anyone can answer. Mm. Not perimeter. Length and breadth put together is what? Perimeter or semi-perimeter? No, length and breadth put together is semi-perimeter. See here, length and breadth put together. See here, this is length, this is breadth. What is length plus breadth equal to? Semi-perimeter. What is perimeter then? Length plus breadth. Again, length plus breadth. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. When you do it 2 times, semi-perimeter 2 times is perimeter. L plus B is semi-perimeter. Again, L plus B plus L plus B is perimeter. That is 2 times length and 2 times breadth is perimeter. But you're right. Very good. Very good. Okay, so see here. Anyone has an idea as to how to do this? Or shall we do it together? Okay, fine. So there are many approaches to this answer. You can do this answer in many ways. So let me tell you one of it first. So going with what Tanya told me, so perimeter, this is what Tanya told me. Perimeter is equal to, 1 second, let me finish this. Perimeter is equal to 108 meters. So what is semi-perimeter then? Perimeter by 2. All if you listen to me, perimeter by 2. Semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2, which is equal to 108 divided by 2, which is 54 meters. So, okay, now L plus B is equal to semi-perimeter. Remember this, L plus B is equal to semi-perimeter. So now to find the length, length is equal to breadth is equal to, remember this, length is equal to breadth is equal to. What is length equal to? What's the ratio? 5:4. What is the ratio? 5:4. That is L is to B is equal to 5:4. L is 5 parts. B is 4 parts. What is the total number of parts? 5 plus 4, 9. Total number of parts, 5 plus 4, 9. Of the 9 parts, 5 parts is length, 4 parts is breadth. Of the 9 parts, 5 plus 4, this 5 plus 4 is 9. So totally there are 9 parts. Of the 9 parts, 5 parts is length, 4 parts is breadth. All right. So we say how many parts length? 5 parts. Total number of, like your marks, total number of parts 9. Like your marks, total marks 100 and you have scored 90. So 90 by 100 is your score, right? What's your score? You have got 90, but the total is 100, 90 by 100. Similarly, how much marks is length scored? 5. What is the total number of marks? 9. How much points is breadth scored? 4 out of 9. Totally 5 plus 4, 9 points are there. 9 points. So length has scored 5 points. So 5 by 9. Breadth has scored 4 points. So 4 by 9. So breadth has scored 4 out of 9. Into, now what should you multiply with? You must multiply by whatever is length and breadth put together. What is length and breadth put together? Is it area? No. Is it perimeter? No. It's semi-perimeter. That one only should come here into 54. Into 54. Now, supposing area is given, you cannot put area here. Whenever you work like this, into here, what you should write is these two quantities added, put together is what? L and B put together is semi-perimeter. That only should come here, not area or perimeter. Understand? Okay, so now simplify this. Now simplify this. 1 minute. So how do you simplify? You should take one number from the numerator, one number from the denominator. So we'll take 54 from the numerator and 9 from the denominator. 9 ones are 9 6 are 54. 9 ones are 9 6 are 54. Now multiply. What is the multiply the numbers in the numerator? So 5 6 are 30. And what is in the denominator? 1. 30 by 1. So that's 30. And here 6 4s are 24. So length is equal to 30 centimeter, meter. And breadth is equal to 24 meters. This is one way. Understand? Take this on. Yes, Deepthi, what's your question?
I actually wanted to I thought we could do it with the semi-perimeter. So it's good.
With what?
Ma'am, I wanted to say I thought that we can do it the way you just did it now, taking the semi-perimeter of the perimeter and then making it length and breadth.
That we cannot do because the ratio is only given. The value of the length or the breadth is not given. No, only the ratio is given.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to say that we have to take the semi-perimeter of the perimeter and then make it into the length and the breadth.
Okay. Is this understood, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll also do an alternate method. Finished? Yeah. Yeah. So now the alternate solution. So here we say let length be equal to 5x meters and let breadth be equal to 4x meters. This is the first step. This is the first step. Yes. Yeah. So the length is not 5, the breadth is not 4. The length will be 5 into something, some constant. So let that be x. Breadth is also 5 into something. When we say that two quantities are in the ratio 5:4, that means their original values are 5 into a constant, 4 into a constant. So let that constant value be x. So now for x we'll get 6. Now when we work, we'll get x is 6. So the length is 5 into 6, 30 meters, and the breadth is 4 into 6, 24 meters. You'll get the same answer. So whenever you have a ratio, so here the ratio is 5:4. That means the length is 5 parts and the breadth is 4 parts, right? So the length is equal, the value of the length is equal to 5 into some constant. And the value of the breadth is equal to 4 into some constant. So let the constant value be x. So we'll always say see, supposing you have a ratio like 2:3:4. Then we'll say let the whatever three, now supposing three sides of the triangle. Supposing three sides of the triangle. So we say let the first side be 2x, second side be 3x, third side be 4x. Or you can even say 2y, 3y, 4y. You can say 2a, 3a, 4a, any letter, any small letter from the English alphabet from A to Z. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, we know that the length and the breadth put together is a semi-perimeter, correct? So we know perimeter is equal to 108 meters. So semi-perimeter will be equal to perimeter by 2. So that's 108 by 2, which is 54 meters. So now what you should do is L plus B, length plus breadth is equal to semi-perimeter. Length is 5x plus breadth is 4x is equal to the semi-perimeter 54. So 9x is equal to 54. So x will be equal to 9 is in multiplication. It will go down for division to the other side. 9 is in multiplication here. 9 into x it is. So when you take it to the other side, it will become the opposite operation. Multiplication and division are opposite operations. So x into 9. So into 9 will become divided by 9. 54 divided by 9. And what is 54 divided by 9? 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. So we have x is equal to 6. Okay, then you should continue. Therefore, length is equal to 5x. That is 5 into 6, which is 30 meters. And breadth is equal to 4x, correct? Which is 4 into 6, 24 meters. Right on, children? Write down. After you write, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Write down. See, children, listen to me. Look at the board. Look at the board. So see here, after x is equal to 6, you should write this L and B. You don't put a line like this and write beside. See, I don't have place to continue below. So I have put a line like this and written here. You don't do what I have done. You keep writing below. Correct? Yeah. Yes, children, finish it and let me know. We'll discuss again. I'm writing. Finished. Yeah. Yeah. So tell me, let's work the same thing again. The alternate solution, let the length be 5x meters. Then Deepti, let the breadth be
4x meters.
4x meters. What is the perimeter? What's the perimeter given? 108 meters. Then what will be the semi-perimeter? 54. Perimeter divided by 2, which is 108 divided by 2, 54. 54, correct? Meters. Then next what? Next what? Length. Length plus breadth is equal to semi-perimeter. We should write the formula first. Length plus breadth is equal to the semi-perimeter. Length is 5x plus breadth is 4x is equal to the semi-perimeter, which is 54. Now 5x plus 4x is 9x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54. This multiplied by 9 will come to the other side for division. So x is equal to 6. All right. Now after finding x, you should not leave the answer there. We have already found x. What is the length and breadth? So length is 5 into x, 5 into 6, 30 meters. And breadth is 4 into x, 4 into 6, which is 24 meters. Okay. Yeah. This is for you. I'm not helping you on this. Take down this question and work this. Done? Finished? Thinking. Okay. Deepti, are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
yeah, Deepthi, I'm here in the class. Just a second, I'm coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Deepthi, you got the answer, is it? Deepthi, I'm back. Yeah, finished. What's your final answer? Sorry? 200? No, tell me the digits. 441. Perfect. Come here, come with your book. Very good. Be careful, don't get hurt to that table. How you got 441? 84 by 4, this is correct. Then why 21 into 4?
Sorry. 21 into 2 only I did. 20 by 21 I did.
So you know how to do, but the formula?
Yes, ma'am. That only I am confusing.
You're not confused, you know it. I'll tell you. Very good.
I don't know like.
Very good. Okay, so Deepthi is not Deepthi. Satakshi has got it right. Very good. Deepthi, are you there? You said you got the answer. Okay. Yeah, so Satakshi's got it right. So she's first found the side of the square. Perimeter of the square is equal to 84 centimeters. Then what is the side? Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4, correct? Because all the sides are equal. So 84 divided by 4, which is 21 centimeters. This is the side, each side of the square. Now find the area. How will you find the area? Area of square is equal to side into side. This is how we'll have to present. So that's your right. Very nice. You recalled very well. And your answer is perfect. But you need to present it with the formula. Okay, so please work the answer again. Yeah. Area of the square is equal to side into side. So that is 21 into 21, which is 441 centimeters square. Right on, children? Deepthi, I called out to you I didn't get a response.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes. Yeah. Did you get the same answer?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can. Did you get the same answer, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I
Please
have
check.
some trouble unmuting my mic.
Oh, I understand that. No problem. Please check your steps, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Finished, all of you? So perimeter of the square is given. From perimeter, you can find the side of the square, correct? Perimeter is 84. So each side of the square will be perimeter divided by 4. 84 divided by 4, 21 centimeters. So now you have the side of the square. How do you find the area? Side into side. 21 to 21, 441 centimeters square. Yeah, try this one. Take down this question. Not able to recall? No? Finished? Deepti? Oh no, over here. Deepti finished?
Ma'am, just a minute, I'm almost done.
Okay. Yeah. 18. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So what is L into B? L into B is equal to area. So the two division facts are L is equal to area by breadth and breadth is equal to area by length. This have we understood, right? Because see, when we have 4 into 6 is equal to 24, the division facts are, what are the division facts? 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 and 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Similarly, area divided by length is equal to breadth. Area divided by breadth is equal to length. So what should we use here? The formula is length is equal to area by breadth. So area is equal to 216 by breadth 18 meters. So the length of the room, therefore, length of the room is equal to 18 meters. All right. Check your steps, all of you. Deepti got this?
Ma'am, I got the length of the room as 18 meters.
Okay. Yeah. I'll check it later. Yeah, I'll check it later. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, who can tell me the formula to find the circumference of a circle?
Ma'am, may I?
Division, you're getting 17? 1 minute. You're getting 17 on division, is it? Come here. Okay, see the division? 216 divided by 12, right? So see a 12, one's a 12, correct? What's the remainder? 9 is a remainder. 6 comes down. 12, 8's a 96. 0. You wrote 12, 7's a 96, is it? Come here. Yeah, take the next question. Try this one. You're saying you subtracted and you got is that 12? This will become 1. This will become 11. Yeah, 11 minus 2 is 9. No? Yeah. Yeah. And then 6 comes from. Well, then 86. It's 96. So 12, 8 are 96. Now you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take a pen. Take a pen, Satakshi. Satakshi, darling.
Ma'am,
Pi d. Yes, Deepthi. No, not pi d. Here, radius is given. So what's the formula?
ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, what's the formula to find the circumference of a circle?
Ma'am, circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r,
Ah,
which
2 pi r.
equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled, so 2 into 22 equals to 44 centimeters.
Very good, Deepthi. Very good. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r units. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, which is 44 centimeters. Very good. When radius is given, we'll use the formula 2 pi r. When diameter is given, we'll use pi d. Circumference is equal to pi d when diameter is given. 2 pi r when radius is given.
Ma'am, is there another question?
Is there another?
Question.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Yeah. Yes. Finished. Very good. Next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Any help, children? Deepthi, able to do? Yeah, here class. Any help needed? No. Okay, try. Yes. 38,500, is it? No. Okay, what is the first thing we have to find? Area or perimeter? Circumference. Circumference. Okay, fine. So Tanya says we have to first find the circumference. So let's do that. Diameter is given to be 77 centimeters. Circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel is equal to pi d. Pi d units. Very good. Pi d units. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into d, which is 77. See, if diameter is given, use the formula pi d. Radius is given, use 2 pi r for finding circumference.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second, Deepthi. When for finding circumference, if radius is given, use the formula 2 pi r. If diameter is given, use pi d. Pi d, the two formulae are pi d and 2 pi r. Okay, for finding circumference. Okay. Okay, so what do you, yes, Deepthi, what's your question?
Ma'am, I actually found the answer.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, the answer I got was 1.21 kilometers.
Ah. Oh, what made you convert it to kilometers?
Ma'am, because I got 121,000 centimeters.
Okay.
So I converted into kilometers.
No, but what made you think that you should convert the answer to kilometers? Why did you not leave it in centimeter? What is your reason for that?
Ma'am, because it was like it was the wheel of the car, so going in kilometers.
Correct. Correct, because it's more than 100 centimeters, and also it's distance covered by the wheel, and it's a very large value in centimeters. So you can convert it to kilometers, meter or kilometer, depending on the value. You can convert it to meter or kilometer depending on the value. Very good.
No, was the answer correct?
You're right. Perfectly right. So what is 22 into 11, Deepthi?
Ma'am?
40.
Ma'am, 22 into 11 is 242 centimeters.
Okay. So what is the circumference? It's a distance covered in one revolution. Circumference of the wheel is nothing but the distance covered in one revolution. So you must say.
When I wrote that the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution is 242 centimeters.
Therefore, distance covered in 500 revolutions is equal to 242 into 500. Very good. Very good, Deepthi. Very good. Yes. Divided by 500 into 500. Correct. Very good. So distance covered in one revolution. Is equal to 242 centimeters. Distance covered in 500 revolutions. 500 revolutions is equal to 242 into 500, which is 1 to 1 followed by how many zeros, darling? 1 to 1 followed by 3 zeros. Centimeters. Now, who can tell me how to convert centimeter to kilometer? Tell me the chart. Tell me the metric chart, Satakshi. I'll start for you. Millimeter, centimeter. Continue. After this. Correct. That one. Yeah. Millimeter, centimeter. Then no. Decimeter. Decimeter. Next. Satakshi. Next. Meter. Next. No. Decameter. Hectometer. And kilometer. All right. All right. So now how do you convert centimeter to kilometer? Centimeter to kilometer. You're coming down the chart. So you'll have to divide. Divide by 1 followed by so many zeros, correct? You all remember this? So 1 to 1, 3 zeros divided by 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers. When you divide by 1 lakh, it's converted to kilometers. Complete. Very good. Satakshi, next class we'll recall how to convert, okay? This chart I'll give you some in the next class. Okay, fine. For you? Don't know. Can't see from here. Okay. Take the table closer to you. So how do you do the sum? First, you must find the distance covered by the wheel in 1 revolution. You must find the distance covered by the wheel in 1 revolution. How do you find that? That's nothing but the circumference of the wheel. And which formula to use? 2 pi r or pi d? Because diameter is given, we'll use pi d. Because diameter is given, we'll use pi d. So pi d will get the circumference. And circumference is nothing but the distance covered by the wheel of the car in 1 revolution. So in 500 revolutions into 500. And the answer is too big for centimeter, no? It's too big for centimeter. It's 1,21,000 centimeter. So we convert it to meter or kilometer. You can even convert it to meter. You can also convert it to meter or kilometer. Then it will be, if meter, then it will be divided by, how do you convert centimeter to meter? Divide by 100. Correct, it will be more, yeah, you will get 12,100 meters. 12,100 meters. Okay. Understood this one? Understood, children? Deepti, any questions here? Oh, I think you got it by yourself. Okay, yes, okay, fine, fine. Yeah, take down this question, children. Homework. Complete all this by the next class. Deepti, please take down this question. Complete this by the next class on Friday.
Ma'am, only one question homework?
No, I'll show you. I have a few more. I'll
just
show
a
you.
minute.
Yeah, this is the first one.
1 minute.
If you want, you can even take a screenshot. You people have to write it.
Ma'am, next question.
Yeah. The children here in the class are writing down because they have to write down, no?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Done, children? Yeah, this is the next one. No, this is too simple. No, not this. Then I'll do one thing. 1 second. Okay, I'll share the rest with you because it's too big to write now. Take down this question. It's okay. We'll do it. Sorry. You can pick it later. Yeah. Take down this question.
But that will be only length into breadth, right?
Yeah. It's a part of the worksheet, so you have to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
And children? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the rest of it, children. Yeah, the rest of the questions for homework, I've shared the pictures on WhatsApp. Deepthi. All right. These two questions, along with the images you see on WhatsApp, I've shared some images on WhatsApp. Along with them, you'll have to complete all this by the next class on Friday. Okay. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. See you. Thank you, Deepthi. That's it for today's session. Thank you, Deepthi. You may leave the call.
Yes, ma'am. You have sent the pictures in my mother's phone or this the other phone?
I've sent it to 41541. It ends with 41541.
No, just check. Just a minute.
Okay, you check and get back. If you want, I can resend to some other number. Okay. Thank you, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I received the photos, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, if you finish